Our students have a great experience here. We get wonderful feedback, and it's sort of evidenced by the fact that both the course leader, Dr. Jack McGowan, and myself have won the Provost Award for Teaching Excellence, because it's the students that vote for it. And our modules have been constantly nominated, like Writing Witchcraft won Best Module in the whole university. And that was a brand new module in the creative writing course, and it was the first year it had run. So to have won something like that is fantastic. The way we teach creative writing at Worcester is workshop based. Now what that means is you will have a sort of semi-informal lecture at the beginning where we'll deliver information about whatever we're covering that day. But the main part of the session will be a workshop. And that means that we will give you writing prompts and you will learn by doing. So whatever information we're teaching that day, say for example the unreliable narrator, we'll look at canonical examples, you'll have a history of it, and then we'll look at more contemporary expressions of that, and then you will have a go. And also you're constantly creating a portfolio of your own writing so that then you can send it out for publication, because one of the things we want is for you to be a published writer by the time you finish our course.
So I definitely grew with creative writing. When I came into the creative writing course, I was very much like, I just want to be a poet. This is where obviously my passion lies. I'm going to follow that route. But then I got introduced to kind of doing genre fiction and kind of fiction writing and how I could create an entertaining short story. And that was in my first year. I realised those two different genres that I could invest myself in. When I came into second year, I discovered something called environmental writing. And this was something I didn't think I'd end up being passionate about. I took the module on a whim. I thought it would be exciting, it would be something new, just to give a go. And because of the environment there is in the creative writing course, I felt that I could actually give different styles a go.
But what is really important for our students is they come here to have two things. One is the dream, and the dream is perhaps becoming a published poet, a published novelist. But there's also the practicality, what you're going to do to earn money while you're following that dream. And we're really passionate at the University of Worcester to provide both those pathways so that we encourage you from day one to become practiced at becoming published, but also embed the skills that will earn you a professional writing job after university so you can earn money while you're working towards your dream. And we have a variety of students, so we have mature students who perhaps have finished a career. For example, we had a fantastic one called Margaret Adkins. She'd been a midwife and then came here afterwards, and she won the V Press Prize for Poetry, which is our award in the third year. And then we have international students who come from a variety of places, Portugal, Sweden, Czech Republic, Canada, and they bring so much to the classroom because they have a variety of stories to tell.
My fellow students have gone on to invest in a wide range of careers, and it's been incredible to see. Obviously now I work at the university doing a bit of copywriting and working on a website. Some of them have gone on to do a master's and actually start thinking about publishing their first collection of poetry or even their first novel. And then seeing obviously others go into copywriting, publishing. It's been incredible to see how we've all branched out into different things. And because of the nature of the course, we all kind of found what we were passionate about, and that helped us find our future career as well. Writing is my favourite thing to do, and it still is now I've left. And I've been able to make a career out of something I loved, something that was a hobby. So if you're wondering kind of what direction to go, I'd say definitely choose the route that you feel your heart is in. And for me, that was creative writing, and for me, that was in the community at Worcester.
The best thing you can do is either come to an open day and come and talk to myself or Dr. Jack McGowan, who's the course leader, or you can just get in touch with us. Just drop me an email. We can arrange to have a phone call or a Teams chat, and we can talk about your writing, talk about what your ambitions are, talk about what you want to gain from studying creative writing here.